अच्छा આપણે 9 જણા આવી પણ ગયા મ્યુટ છે
ના મોટી મમ્મી
All right, good morning everyone. Badhane. Thank you so much for coming and joining us for Priyanka and Sheshank's baby shower. We are starting very shortly. 5 minutes we'll be getting started. We will be welcoming everyone and then starting with the God Varai. Alright, so thank you for your patience and hope you enjoy. Thank you. Alright, so quick announcement about table seating. Table seating chart is on the left side, so my left. So if you can see me here, it's directly in front of me. So કોને ક્યાં ક્યાં બેસવાનું છે બધાના નામ અને ટેબલ નંબર એના પર લખ્યા છે. So you guys can find your name there and then find a place to sit. Once again, the seating chart is on the other door. So if you're entering, it will be the right door.
ready. One more. Thank you.
Thank you.
navigate whichever way you want. And if you need the power brick, you're gonna need it. I don't know what is that 14, 15
Yeah, that should work.
lightning. So then you'll have to have the power source.
I mean, it's full right now, but
If you need to,
Yeah.
you can just plug it in. And that's tied here, so that you stay. So as you move, it will move with you. So you probably don't want it here because if you try to lift it up, because if you lift it, it'll try to.
Okay.
So you don't want it here. So you want to try it maybe here or somewhere.
okay, sure.
But later, you can keep it in your pocket for now. That's what I would do. Because sometimes you just would pick it up and then move so quickly.
I actually keep
I'm
it in
assuming
my
that
pocket.
you're
yeah.
going to be doing this.
I'll set it up.
Yeah, I think this is the power of it.
Yeah.
You set it up and leave.
Yeah.
They can just watch it. Just make sure you're here.
Thank you. So is there a way to get this a little bit up like this?
Something has happened. I'm not sure why it's doing that. It wasn't doing this before. So what I'm doing typically is I just adjust it here. I don't. So this goes up and down.
Okay.
I'm not sure why he's doing that, but I haven't had a chance to figure that part out.
Got it.
Shall I?
Yeah.
Well, I just adjust it here just so that it looks straight. That's all. And પાછળ અહીંયા પછી tight કરી દઈશું.
Ở nhà nữa.
Welcome everyone once again. A formal welcome from the Ladke wala side, from the Ladki wale. હવે આપણે પ્રોગ્રામ ચાલુ કરવાનો છે, વિધિ ચાલુ કરવાની છે. So I'm going to request everyone to please sit down. Once again, the table seating chart is right near the door. So if you haven't checked that, please check that. And we have table numbers on the table, so you can sit on your corresponding table. અને હવે આપણે ગોદ ભરાઈની રસમો બધી ચાલુ કરીશું.
Yeah, generally just do it horizontal because people are watching on TV. It's always better to do it horizontal.
ચેક કરો ફોન આ ફોન આડો કરો ને એમને ટીવીમાં છે ટીવીમાં રોટેટ થશે ફોનમાં બધામાં થાય છે ને હમણાં થાય છે તો ટ્રાય કર્યું હા રોટેટ થયું ને ઓકે અને દેખાય છે ક્લિયર અહીંયા થોડું બહાર હતા મમ્મી વચ્ચે કારા બે પટ્ટા દેખાય ના બરાબર છે મમ્મી હવે આગળ ભગાય લાઈવ કર પ્રિયંકા દેખાય ચાલ હું તને તારો વિડીયો કોલ પછી બધું છોડો બરાબર તો છે એ લોકોને છોડને આ બધું ખાલી આટલું મમ્મીને બતાવી દઈશ હા આટલું હા મમ્મી ત્યાં કરી જો પણ રોટેટ થશે ત્યાં સુધી બતાવી
रात होत हरि भेला न गए
આવું કેમ થાય
सब सखा बोलाए रात होत हरि भेला न गए सब सखा बोलाए अपने अगराने थे नीरो नीचे तारो
વર્ટિકલ દેખાય છે
बहुभांति के सरजू तट
नारली काट हम नहीं गए बाबा की दोहाई नारली काट हम नहीं गए बाबा की दोहाई तू जो भारत बुलाएगी लक्ष्मण के भाई लक्ष्मण के भाई कान धनैया किते धरे
मातु कौशल्या के गोद में बोले तुतुलाई मातु कौशल्या के गोद में बोले तुतुलाई तुलसीदास हरि मगन भये तुलसीदास हरि मगन भये सरधनु ही पाई
कान धनैया किते धरी गई दे